The financial system as we know it is about to turn upside down. The US dollar's reign as the global kingpin is threatened, not by a traditional superpower, but by a coalition that includes some of the world's fastest growing economies. Just think that a single card, launched just ahead of the 2024 BRICS Summit, has the potential to shake the very foundation of global finance. This is no speculative theory. This card is real, and it's here. The BRICS Pay card has just launched, setting off alarms in financial capitals from New York to Tokyo. Designed for cross-border transactions, it aims to reduce reliance on the US dollar, which has dominated international trade for decades. Why is this important? A recent report from the World Bank reveals that approximately 60% of global transactions are conducted in US dollars. The BRICS Pay card seeks to provide a viable alternative, enhancing the financial autonomy of member nations: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. By using this card, BRICS countries can transact in their local currencies, minimizing conversion costs and mitigating exchange rate risks. This shift not only empowers these nations economically, but could also redefine the global economic order, allowing them to forge deeper ties while challenging Western financial hegemony. Let's break down how the BRICS Pay card could fundamentally alter international finance. Leveraging blockchain technology, it facilitates instant, secure transactions without the need for traditional banking intermediaries. This not only speeds up payments, but also reduces fees tied to currency conversions. Cyril Ramaphosa, South Africa's president and BRICS chairperson, stated, "The BRICS Pay card is not just a payment solution, it's a step toward financial liberation for our nations." This assertion encapsulates the card's potential, offering countries in the global south an opportunity to transact freely and efficiently, liberated from dollar constraints. The card's ripple effects could encourage other nations to adopt similar payment systems, ultimately diminishing the dollar's dominance in global transactions. If you're enjoying our content, please like and subscribe. Thank you. The BRICS Pay card connects diverse economies through a shared payment platform. By employing decentralized ledger technology, it ensures transparency and security in transactions. For everyday users, this means a simplified experience. Imagine a Brazilian farmer selling soybeans to a buyer in India, conducting the transaction in their respective currencies without losing value through conversions. The Economist highlights that this kind of innovation could streamline cross-border commerce significantly. Additionally, features like built-in fraud protection and smart contracts automate compliance and payments, appealing to tech-savvy users and businesses seeking efficient solutions. The launch of the BRICS Pay card is not just a financial innovation. It may signal the emergence of an alternative global financial system, operating independently of Western powers. If successful, it could significantly diminish the leverage that the United States and Europe hold over global trade through their control of the dollar and established financial institutions. As Bloomberg recently suggested, BRICS nations are looking to reshape the global financial architecture, moving away from systems that have historically favored Western economies. The stakes are high. If the BRICS Pay card gains widespread acceptance, it could challenge institutions like the IMF and the World Bank, altering the landscape of global finance. One of the primary advantages of the BRICS Pay card is its potential to enhance the financial sovereignty of its member nations. By allowing countries to transact independently of Western banks, it reduces their vulnerability to economic sanctions and financial crises. Economist Richard Kozel-Wright of UNCTAD emphasizes, financial independence is crucial for developing economies that seek to establish their place in the global market. The BRICS Pay card is a critical step in this direction. This shift may reconfigure global power dynamics, with member nations finding common ground in other geopolitical areas, forging a formidable bloc against Western policies. The development of the BRICS Pay card is a testament to cooperation among member nations. each contributing its technological strengths to create a secure platform. Advanced encryption methods and smart contracts ensure that this payment system is one of the most secure available. As noted in TechCrunch, the BRICS Pay Card represents a fusion of technology and financial strategy, paving the way for a new era in global payments. The success of this initiative hinges on collaboration and innovation among BRICS nations, pooling resources to meet their unique needs. The BRICS Pay Card is poised to facilitate smoother trade among member nations, significantly impacting their economic relationships. By cutting transaction costs and processing times, it will encourage businesses within BRICS countries to engage more frequently. A report from McKinsey projects that eliminating barriers to trade could increase intra-BRICS trade by as much as 20% within 5 years. This increased connectivity could diversify supply chains, reducing dependency on Western markets and creating a more resilient economic framework. The BRICS Pay Card received an overwhelmingly positive reception, with leaders expressing strong support. Russian President Vladimir Putin remarked, "This payment card is a vital step toward ensuring our nation's economic independence," highlighting the initiative's significance. Initial user feedback has also been promising, with businesses eager to adopt this system, especially those frustrated by traditional banking costs. CNBC reports that the BRICS Pay Card has the potential to transform how businesses operate in emerging markets, providing them with the tools they need to thrive in a competitive landscape. This positive reception bodes well for a smooth rollout and widespread adoption among member nations. While the prospects for the BRICS Pay Card are promising, challenges remain, particularly regarding scalability. Each member nation has its own regulatory framework and economic conditions, complicating implementation. Dr. Mazukisi Kobo, a political analyst, notes, "Standardizing protocols across diverse economies will be crucial for the success of the BRICS Pay Card. BRICS countries are likely to engage in extensive dialogue to establish unified regulatory standards, ensuring seamless functionality across borders. However, if these challenges remain unaddressed, fragmentation could undermine the card's effectiveness. It's essential to monitor developments closely in the coming months." The BRICS Pay Card's impact extends beyond member nations, sending shockwaves through Western economies. As BRICS countries assert their financial independence, Western nations may find their economic influence diminishing. Former U.S. Treasury Secretary Larry Summers remarked, "The rise of alternative payment systems like the BRICS Pay Card challenges the traditional economic order and could lead to significant geopolitical shifts. This evolving landscape necessitates a reassessment of trade policies and economic strategies in the West." As the Financial Times posits that the BRICS Pay Card could herald a new era of financial competition. The BRICS Pay Card could inspire similar initiatives among other developing nations. Countries in Africa, Latin America, and Asia may look to the BRICS model to enhance their financial sovereignty. An IMF analysis suggests that developing nations are increasingly interested in establishing alternative financial systems to reduce their reliance on Western-dominated frameworks. This trend may lead to a more multipolar world economy, where financial power is distributed among various regions rather than concentrated in the West. Economist Eswar Prasad highlights, "If successful, the BRICS Pay Card could serve as a catalyst for change, encouraging other countries to pursue similar paths." As we approach the upcoming BRICS Summit, all eyes will be on anticipated announcements regarding the BRICS Pay Card and other initiatives. Expected discussions may include integrating additional payment systems and possibly expanding BRICS membership to include other nations eager to join this financial revolution. Analysts speculate that the summit could unveil plans for a more cohesive financial strategy among member nations, positioning BRICS as a legitimate contender to the existing global financial order. The BRICS Pay Card signifies more than just a payment method. It heralds a new era of financial sovereignty and independence. As BRICS nations unite to challenge the dominance of the US dollar, the implications for global trade, economics, and geopolitics are profound. The future is ripe with possibilities, and with each announcement from the upcoming BRICS Summit, we inch closer to a financial landscape that could redefine how we engage in commerce across the globe. We're glad you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe. Check out another video that is now on your screen.